one coat is finished. Now I'm doing the second coat. I have debuted for a while in there, and I have did some painting. I forgot to make the video. I'll show you like this. I'm clearing it also.
Half double.
Half
Now you start here.
Yeah. I am doing in a DIY method, you know. I read about this one and I did whatever they say. The roller they say use this one. I didn't use any other roller. I used that one only. This is a fun roller, soft, a very soft roller. I should work it in the board.
Oh.
I also have painted in the board.
It will become our magnetic board.
Yeah, magnetic board. We don't have to paste a magnetic primer. And don't think that my magnetic primer is coming. We have it in there. We have it. After then, I will make another video on the magnetic primer board. And a clear chalkboard and a black chalkboard. Hey, it's down bother to do one scratch like this. You know guys, we have extended this a little. Like we have made it now perfect square.
It is not a square?
It is a square.
No.
Either the length one time.
Length और width equal है?
Neither it ना. I am telling you.
ये देखो length और ये देखो width.
Oh, one. No problem. This is. I need a bit foot. 1, 2, 3. 3 foot like this. And. Yeah. It is. Kind of feels.
It's a rectangle. चल. अब बाद में क्या करेंगे? क्लियर बोर्ड पेंट करेंगे वुड पे. ठीक है. किचन के पास जो है उस पे क्लियर.